Hey guys, this is Trezor and I'm back again with new episode video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get LinkedIn verified skills badge like this you see on your screen. As you can see, this is my LinkedIn profile and you can see that I have a lot of badges to prove that I have skills on these particular softwares or programming languages. So what is a LinkedIn and why do you need these badges? LinkedIn is a social network that focuses on professional networking and career development, and you can use LinkedIn to display your resume, search for jobs, search for internships, and enhance your professional reputation by posting updates about your account and interacting with other people as well. So, why do you need these badges? You need these badges because they may help you to prove that you have skills in some softwares or programming languages. For example, let's say if you're applying for a job here on LinkedIn, and as you guys know, every job has the requirements. So let's say the requirements of the company you're applying to is that you must know how to use Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. So what you have to do is to apply for that job and then share your LinkedIn profile to that company. If they select you, they will decide to visit your profile and check out your resume and see some skills you have. So if they find that you have some badges, they will then confirm that you have skills in that software or any particular programming languages. So let's say you want to add new skill to your profile. This is what you have to do. Let me just go back to the home page and show you guys from the beginning. As you can see guys, this is my LinkedIn homepage, and what you have to do here is to click on your name and scroll down on skills section. There you go here, and then click add new skill. Then you can search any skills you want as long as you know how to use them if they are softwares, or how to do them if they are programming languages. Then search for them. For now, let's say I need to maybe add Node.js as new skill. Click add until we go all the way to the other skills you know. Okay, so if I scroll it down and click on show more, you can see guys there is a new skill to my skills. So you can see that I don't have badge now because I did not take any quiz to prove that I know how to use or how to program in Node.js. So what you have to do now is to scroll it up a little bit and click on Tech Skill Quiz. If you click on Tech Skill Quiz, then you can choose Node.js, and you can see the requirements of taking this short quiz. It's a 15 questions, multiple choice questions, and each question, and you must answer each questions in 1.5 minutes. And you must score in the top 30% to earn a badge. You can see the other requirements. It says before you start, you must complete this assessment in one section and make sure your internet is reliable, and you can retake this assessment once if you don't earn a badge, and we won't show your result to anyone without your permission. Then if you click start, it's going to show you the first question where you have to answer it in 1.5 minutes. Then what you need to do to pass this out or to get this badge is to use my free answers. So to use my free answers, I'll put a link in the comment section. After clicking on the link, it will take you to this GitHub, and then you will just scroll it down in these free answers and choose which software or programming language you are going to answer in that LinkedIn website. So for now, I'm looking for Node.js. Alright, this is it. So if I click on Node.js, it's going to give me a bunch of questions and answers as well. You can see guys, this is the questions and answers. You can see that even there is a tick, which means for this question, this is the answer. Then what you have to do, I think it's still complicated, but what you have to do, just go back to the LinkedIn and then click start your assessment. So guys, you can see this is the first question. What are the arguments passed to the modular wrapper function? So this is what you have to do. Then go back to that GitHub file and click Ctrl and F to search and search that question. It was what are the arguments? What are arguments? No, this is not search. Search is this one. Ctrl plus F. What are arguments? You can see the answer is export require modular file name and dir name. If I go back, this is it, and then click next. Next question is which object is used to manage the cache of required modulars. Which object is? Then search again. Which modulars? Is it this question or oh no? Which object is used to manage the cache of required modulars? You can see the answer is require.cache. Then click next. You must be super quick. Then search which CLI option can use. Which CLI option can use? You can see, let me zoom in. You can see the answer is inspect. Then search for inspect and click on inspect. Then click next. The next question is, it's really amazing, guys. The next question is, you have a script.js file. Just search the first or two words. You have a script.js file with the single line of code. You can see it's the same question. Then the answer is an object representing an array that has 5 elements. An object representing an array that has 5 elements. Then click next. The next question is, when a request event is received in the HTTP module, then just search from maybe here up to here, HTTP. When a request event, you can see, if you try to remember how the question look like, it will just be simple to you. Okay, the answer is http.incoming message. http.incoming message. Click next. The next question is, which choice is not a node global? Which choice is not a valid method? No, I don't think it's this one. Which choice is not a node? Which choice is not a node? There is no question for this, so you can choose. If you don't find the answer, you can then choose anything you want, or you can pay attention and answer it correctly if you know. Then click next. The next question is, what will this code log to the console? Okay, what will this code you can see this question, it's not a variable. Then you can pay attention and try to answer it. File person.js export John file index.js const person require person js concept. It will probably maybe drawn. Let me just click drawn. Click next. The next question is which file does not, let me just search this one. Which file does not which file does not. So if you search and you don't see the answer, you can try to search any word which is not like this, not underscore gyp node. It's not underscore gyp. Oh, you can see which does not file extension represent gyp. I think there is no answer for this. Then I have to choose anything I want so that I can save my time. Which statement is true about node.js and threads? Which statement is true when no, it's not this question. Which statements? I think I forgot E. Which statement is true about? There is no, I think there is no answer for this. So what I have to do is to choose random answer. Which statement is true about node.js and threads? Every node process gets 4 threads. It's so hard for me to read all of these things because not paying attention. I have to select anything I want and then click next. Let's move on. If the child process model methods are in scope, you can see, guys, this is the answer. XSC, what? I don't know how to read that. This is the answer. Oh no, I have to pay attention. EF, PSEF. But there is underscore here. Oh, the answer is this one, which doesn't have this comma. Then next, which core module in node? Which core not code? Which core module in node can take advantage? No, it's not the same question. Which core module in node? Which core module? I think it's not the same question. It's not the same question, so I need to select the random answer and then move on. Which core node module? In node can you use? Oh no, core module has wiper. There is no answer for this. Then you can choose whatever you want and then move on. How can you use the promise API? How can you use the promise API with callback based function? Yeah, this is it. The answer is util.promisify child promisify, and this uti promisify child process.x is underscore, there is underscore, it's this one. Then next, Oh guys, I forgot I'm doing a video. Oh shit. The next question is, which statement is true when you run this code? Which statement is true when you run this code? The answer is the forked process will have its own VM instance. The forked will have its own VM instance. You can see this is the answer. If you click next, I think it's the last question, and it says which FS module, the answer is create read stream. Create read stream, then view results. I think I have passed this assessment. Let's see, guys. Great work, you earned a badge. You can see, guys, you are in the top 15% of 153k people who took this. You can see that I have got a badge for Node.js. Hey guys, I forgot to show you that I have got my badge added to my Node.js skill. Let me show you guys. It's pretty amazing, and you can do the same and add as many badges you want. You can see this is Node.js, and this is my verified LinkedIn skill assessment badge. Bye bye.